Hey guys, it's Derek with West Dallas Blue again. I just want to make a quick little video about printer pooling. So, if you are a large organization or if you own two of the same type of Canon printer, what you can do is install one print driver and set it up so that it'll print to both machines. To do this, once the driver is installed, right click on it and go to Printer Properties, and you will see the Ports tab. Going to open that and you're going to expand the ports. So in this case, I have two Canon IPF 785s that I want to pool together. The first one's IP is .144. The second one I gave is 145. I need to turn on the enable printer pooling, and then I can check mark the second IP address for the second 785. I click apply and OK. And so what that's going to do now is if you have, say, 50 users that are printing to the two machines, rather than having them pick machine A or machine B, everybody can print to the same driver, and that driver is going to send the print job to the next available printer that is pooled with it. So in this case, if I have these machines side by side, if I hit print and I have a 50-page document that I'm going to be printing, and a colleague of mine also has another 50-page document, we can both send it to the same driver, and that driver is going to delegate my print job to printer A, the first printer, and it'll take my colleague's job, and it's going to send it to the next available printer. This works great in large environments where you have multiple people printing to multiple different machines. The one drawback here is you don't know which machine your job is being sent to. So it's ideal if all of your machines are in the same location so that the user, once they print, they can go and check and see which one it's coming out of. This will speed up your printing process a little bit and should make your life a little bit easier.